everybody, my name is Karen and I am the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on what can I do with a major in education. Now this workshop is designed for those students who are interested in majoring in education or something related to education. I'll walk you through what you can do with a major in education. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with the types of majors or careers you can pursue with education. We have early childhood education, education management, elementary education, library science, secondary education, special education, and the last one, which is a little bit more complex, which is TEFL, which is teaching English as a foreign language, TESL, which is teaching English as a second language, and TESOL, which is teaching English to speakers of other languages. Why should you study education? First, educators play a role in the lives of nearly every person. So that is for those people or for those students who have access to education. Of course, education is going to play a big role in their lives. This field prepares students to become contributing members of society and pursue their own educational goals. That is, as an educator, you're always going to play a big role in a student's life in pursuing their own educational goals. This major also helps you in learning how to teach children how to read, encourage physical fitness and health, and spread culture through history and art lessons. That is, if you're mostly leaning towards becoming an elementary teacher or maybe an elementary counselor, etc., you're most likely going to be learning how to teach a variety of subjects to these children. And finally, one of the biggest benefits of working in education, especially in a school, is that you get to have summer, winter, and spring breaks off. Why study education part 2? First, we have you're passionate about helping kids of all abilities. That is, regardless if you're going to be a regular teacher, that is an elementary, middle school, or high school teacher, or if you would like to go into special education, you still have to be passionate of helping all types of kids. You're a planner who loves explaining things. If you're going towards a teacher route, then of course you're going to have to love explaining things because you're going to be explaining lots of information to these students. You excel in multiple different subjects. This is if you're most likely interested in teaching a variety of subjects, then this major is perfect for you. You've pictured yourself in your teacher's shoes. That is, maybe you have a favorite teacher and you just look up to them and you want to be just like them when you pursue to being a teacher yourself. And finally, we have you want to interact with people on a daily basis. Of course, as a teacher, as an educator overall, you're gonna have to be interacting with a lot of people and a lot of students. What can you do with an education degree? There are a variety of things that you can do. Careers in education are mainly limited to the education industry. Within this industry, educators work in the nonprofit, public, and private sectors. Some types of jobs educators pursue are teachers, of course, as I have mentioned throughout this slide. It is the most common job that educators do pursue. Coaches, that is most likely referring to maybe like a physical education coach or a sports coach. Principals, if you're interested in running a school, then this is a type of job that you might be interested in. For principals, you're required to get a master's degree in educational leadership or something related. School administrators, that is maybe you don't want to become a teacher, maybe you're most interested in working in the behind the scenes of education. And finally, we have guidance counselor, also known as high school academic counselor. These people track a student's progress in order for them to graduate successfully from high school. The certifications you earn and your time spent student teaching will help you narrow down your career options. That is, maybe when you go into the education industry and you start off as a teacher, you're going to want to explore more opportunities, that if you are interested in exploring more opportunities as well. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We will also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback y'all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.